Hello everyone. Here going to presented by Chaudhary Sabiha. She is from Department of Zoology in Ramanujan Junjunwala College, Ghatkopar, Mumbai. She is going to present on the topic of biochemistry. Now, what is the biochemistry? What is history and development of the biochemistry and how to study of the biochemistry? Now, biochemistry is the chemistry of the living cell and it concerned with studying the various molecules that occur in living cell and organism and with their chemical reaction. Now, what is the aim of the biochemistry? The aim of biochemistry is the structure function, metabolism and regulation and how life begins. What is the significance of the biochemistry? The significance of biochemistry is involved in genetics, cell biology, molecular biology, physiology and immunology, as well as pharmacology, pharmacy, zoology, botany, toxicology, etc. are the significance in biochemistry. Now, what is the history and development of the biochemistry? The term biochemistry was first introduced by the German chemist Carl Alexander Neuberg in 1903. The term biochemistry is taken from the Greek word of the bios, which means life, and that's why Carl Alexander Neuberg is called the father of modern biochemistry. Now, what does the biochemistry discuss? It discusses about the proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid and other molecules, metabolism and regulation, gene expression and modulation. Here going to DNA to RNA and RNA is going to proteins. Now, what is the principle of the biochemistry? The main principle of biochemistry involves in cells. Cells are highly organized and constant source of energy is required to maintain the order state. All organisms used the same type of molecule like carbohydrate, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. The living processes which occur through the chemical pathways and these pathways are required to maintain the life and in also involvement of the reproduction as well as development for each organism and it is encoded by the DNA. Now, talking about the cell in biochemistry, cells are basically building block of the life. Cells is the smallest living unit of an organism. A cell may be unicellular or multicellular. A typical size of the cell is 10 micrometer and the mass of the cell is 1 nanometer. Now here cell membrane as well as eukaryotic cell. In cell membrane involves glycolipids, glycoproteins, carbohydrate, globular proteins, channel proteins, cholesterol, lot of many things are involved in the cell membrane. Whereas in eukaryotic cells, cytoplasm, cell wall, cell membrane, plasmid, pilus, ribosomes, etc. are involved in the cells. Now, what is the biomolecules in the biochemistry? Just like cells, it is also building blocks of the cells. Animal and plant cell contains 10,000 kind of biomolecule. In the biomolecules, the portion of the water is around 50 to 90% by bed. Almost all other type of biomolecules are organic like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. So, what is the type of the biomolecules in the biochemistry? There are various types. Here, small molecules which are involved lipid, phospholipid, glycolipid, sterol, vitamins, hormones, carbohydrates, sugar. Now, in monomers involves amino acids, nucleotide, monosaccharides, whereas in polymers involves peptide, oligopeptides, polypeptides, proteins, nucleic acid, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, including cellulose. So, here is the topic. Here is the main topic about the biochemistry which I discussed here. So, the acknowledgement to the my professors, my family, my classmates, and friends. So, thank you. Thank you all.